Hello everybody, today I'm going to turn your messy old iPad into something that would look like this. So other than having these boring app icons, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to customize your iPad with the built-in Apple app called Shortcuts, and I will be using an iPad today, so this is an iPad version of this tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna clear this page and this one and all of my pages, totally empty. Okay, now we're done. And I forgot to mention, we're gonna still keep Widgetsmith, of course. So great, now we're gonna go into Widgetsmith. I've just downloaded the app recently. Well, now we're gonna start designing, of course. And don't worry, I've done this before with another app called Ice Cream. Not ice cream, the food you eat, ice cream, as in screen. ISCREEN, so also check that out too. I'm currently using Widgetsmith. So let's carry on with what we're doing. Okay, so we're going to first add a clock widget. You can use this one or a ticking clock. I find this one really cute and aesthetic, so I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to go all the way to the top, and because I've just downloaded it, of course, and anyways, it will be in the free version. So a few with stars are probably premium. So let's try and use our freeness. I like this powder one already. Let's choose this one. Sorry guys. Let's choose our first widget. I'm going to press time and date. I find this one really aesthetic. I'm currently using the app Widgetsmith, by the way, if you didn't know. And okay, now we are going to choose what we want. I'm going to keep swiping down until I find something I like. As you can see on my YouTube channel, it's called Studio Aya, and it's basically all pink, pink, pink. So I would love to pick something pink. I like this one. It's kind of similar to the example. So I'm going to go with this and tap the tick. Let's name it Cute Clock. That's our first widget made. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to be teaching you guys how to even add a widget. First, we're going to tap anywhere on the screen, press edit, and add a widget. Okay, that's great now. Now I'm going to search widget. Ooh, what's Smart Snack Stack? Sorry. Now, I went a bit off topic, and we're going to tap and type on Widgetsmith. And it looked like this was the size of the widget. So we're going to tap on it, basically. And it's already like that because it's my first widget, probably. I mean, I just already tapped it, okay? Once again, you're going to hold on it, edit widget, put Cute Clock, the one we've just made together. Now that's great. Let's keep going and make our widget number 2. Okay, so this is my widgets. And now we're going to go to see all our widgets then. Let's add a new one by pressing the plus icon. Let's choose small, medium, or large. There's so many options. Seriously, there are so many options. So I'm going to only be organizing my home screen today. So let's try and make a small one of a photo. Let's add this photo. First we need to actually make a cute photo. But where do we find a cute photo? I know. Let's go to Pinterest. Pinterest. Widget photo. Like I said, I love pink, so I'm going to do pink. Let's see. There's so many options once again. Let's choose one. It's very hard to choose. I'm I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to press the three dots and download the image. Or maybe I'll change my choice. Let's keep browsing because there are a lot of options, like I already said. Yep, this one's the exact same, but the color's slightly different. So while you choose your image, make sure you choose and decide very well because it really matters. This is the poster now. I mean a photo. Not exactly a poster, but a photo widget. And I've also found something else for the clock one that I've liked. It just says clock as the title of that widget. Yeah, and I like it more, so I changed it to that. Now, without any skipping, let us make our third widget. And let's see, we're going to tap on the plus icon as usual. And we're going to choose something. We're doing home screen, of course. So let's see. First, we're going to actually choose the size, and let's go with a large one this time. There's so many ones. Let's do like a game or something, maybe this tile game. Music. Maybe we should choose music because I love music, honestly. Music library. I don't have Apple Music, so I don't know. Don't really have any music actually, so let's try again actually. Let's do a tile game. Now we gotta choose a color. I'm gonna choose soft pink. And press the tick. And we're gonna press game. And once again, this is how you add a widget. Edit, add widget, type, widget Smith. Oops. And if the one you want does not pop up, this is why it would not be popping up. Because it's the wrong size. I'm going to use it here, and we're gonna save a bit of space because I think it looks really cute to save space at the same time. Like here, there's gonna be a space on the right side. Okay, let's play. Oh, I don't understand how to play. Oh, I think we're supposed to add them together. Oh, that's really fun. Actually, this is addictive. Ooh, down. Okay, sorry guys. I took a bit of time just playing this, but seriously, it's so fun. So I recommend Widget Smith. So yeah. Let's now get on with what we're supposed to do today. Okay, now I'm gonna try and see if there are any app icons. If there aren't any app icons, I'm gonna be upset, but that's okay. But today I'm also going to be teaching you how you can do this without app icons from the app. So let's get started with that. Step 1. Go to your Pinterest or anything. I'm going to use Pinterest today. Okay, so now we're going to type app icons in any color you want. Done. And you can see a bunch of options, and you're basically going to choose whatever you want. So I like this one, so there'll probably be similar stuff to that one. Ooh, that's pretty. But first we gotta make sure they're also similar ones in the exact same style, otherwise we'll regret it. I don't find many of the same style, so nope. But I find this style very similar and popular everywhere, so I'm going to go with that one. So first I'm going to tap on one, press download image. You're going to keep doing that for every app icon you want. As you can now see, I've completed on saving all my app icons that I prefer. So now that that's done, let's start actually adding them to the home screen. I'm not going to do all of them because that will take way too long. I'll also be teaching you how to get a wallpaper nicely onto your iPad. Though you might already know that, I know some few tips. So let's start adding the app icons. First, you're going to go to the app shortcuts, like that one. So you might not have this open app one, it's just by me. So when I tap on it, it takes me to the calendar. So now we're gonna go to gallery or anything, and then we're gonna add a folder, and you're gonna call it app icons. And I like to call it pink, just to make it a bit more specific. Now I'm gonna choose a symbol. This part is super optional, so don't worry about it. Your life doesn't depend on a symbol. I'm going to go with that heart one. Okay, that's great. Now we're going to actually go to this folder, in folder app icons pink, and we're gonna add a shortcut by pressing plus. Now we're gonna tap this one on the right, the purple one, open app. Great, now leave it there, and where it says app next to open, app here, you're gonna tap on that app. And then now we're going to tap on the search bar, search the app you want. For example, CapCut. Done. Now when you tap on it, it'll open CapCut. But what do you tap? Now we're gonna go to the I here. So first we were here, you put the app and you're gonna tap I for information and press this colorful palette called add to home screen. We're gonna choose image and choose photo. It's gonna take a while to load and then done. Now I'm gonna choose the CapCut one, which is here, and press use. Now you're done. If you want a symbol like this, go ahead, but I like this one. And now we're gonna tap on this and I'm gonna double tap and then name it CapCut. So it's like a new app. Now we're gonna press add, and it's in your home screen right here at the top. Now if you tap on it, it's gonna take you to CapCut, just like that. Okay, that's great. Now I'm going to do the rest. But if you wanna stay watching for a few more app icons, that's great. Okay, so once you do this, oops, it took me to CapCut. Once you are in that, then where is it? Okay, here. You're gonna go outside of the open app. So you're gonna go and tap the outside, and you're gonna now be up here. Tap the plus again, and it sounded like a long process, but it's actually not. Open app, choose your app. I go app store on the icon, choose photo, let it load for a few seconds, and you're gonna tap app store. Do I have app store? The thing is I don't. If you don't have app store, the icon or anything, don't worry, just find it. I don't have Netflix. Okay, now we're gonna find app App Store and oh, I found it. Great. App Store. Here, and I like how all the colors are like in different shades of pink, so it's really unique. Now we're gonna type App Store. Done. Done. Yeah, takes you to App Store. Great. Now we're gonna go and tap this again and go out. So you need to create a new one again and again. So one last one, and then after that, I will speed run the rest and fast forward basically. Let's choose an app, calculator, add to home screen, image, choose photo. Calculator is here. And then you're gonna write calculator. Calculator? Okay, that works. Now we're gonna go back, go outside, and I'm gonna speed run until I finish a lot of app icons, and I might as well add a few more widgets. Okay, see you. So now my layout looks like this, but as you can see, this widget at the top, the square one, the self-love one, it doesn't really match the style of colors. So what I'm gonna do, I put this in Procreate and adjusted the brightness and saturation of the color of the photo. So I'm gonna fix the photo again. I'm gonna change the photo to an edited version where I change the color to the color that I prefer, like this, and I hope it'll look slightly better than before. Now it looks way better, I think. That's great now. So once we've finished our layer and our app icons, let's test them out. So first, I'm going to go into, let's see, the Procreate app. That works. Into, why is there Google for calendar? Delete. If something's wrong and you delete the bookmark, these things are called bookmarks, by the way. If you delete one, that's okay. It won't delete the app. It'll just delete these shortcuts. So I got the Google one wrong. I accidentally took the wrong app icon for Google. So I need to do it again. So I choose my photo. And if you don't find any app icons that like online on Pinterest, if you don't find a specific app icon you want, you can create it. You can draw it by, you can add the original app icon, add pink as the background, and just make the actual logo inside white color. So that's how I do it for stuff I don't find the app icon of. So now we're going to add the wallpaper. So you can see my wallpaper's changed if you've noticed. I tried finding a wallpaper, but this one looks kinda weird for this style. I want it to be a bit more pink aesthetic, not too much sparkles and rainbows. So what we're going to do is go into Pinterest, and then we're going to find a wallpaper. For example, this. Type this keyword in, and yeah, we'll just see what we can find. I want to turn this into landscape mode, which is my iPad mode right now. So it's like not portrait mode, if you know. So this is for iPhone wallpaper, but I'm currently using my iPad to do this. So this is what I do if I want to make it into landscape mode. I go and create a new canvas, which is my screen size, like this. And by the way, I'm using the app Procreate. As you can see on my channel, I love doing Procreate tutorials. So I use Procreate a lot for everything, like drawing, and yeah, most of my stuff is all Procreate. So if you don't have Procreate, that's fine. You can use Canva for this. If you find an iPhone wallpaper you like, you can just use Canva or Procreate or CapCut for anything. And you're gonna try and fit it like this. Then I'm gonna duplicate it so you can follow along if you have Procreate only. It's not seamless. So yep, it's totally not seamless. As you can see here, it's cut off. So this is what I like to do. I like to put this layer underneath a bit more. Is this one? I don't know, because they're overlapping. It's so hard to find out which layer is which. Okay, this one. Okay. Yep. Okay, so now, as you can see, it's a bit messy. So we're going to change one layer by erasing it. So if you have Ibis Paintex, you can also do that. I don't know how to pronounce it. So now it looks empty, which is good. And then you're going to erase until it looks nice, exactly. So it looks very weird right now, right? It's not that easy to notice, so if you want, you can leave it like that, or you can fix it until it looks nice and seamless, but it's not a big deal for me. Okay, now that's nice. So if you want it like that, that's good. I want to zoom in a bit more too, like there. A bit more here. Perfect. A bit more up. So designing a wallpaper is a bit tricky. I mean, fitting it into your iPad size. I mean, it's not like I drew this design, but yeah, just fitting it. Okay, now I'm gonna put it as my wallpaper and customize my lock screen. And I've already created a few lock screen widgets from Widgetsmith. Here, these are my lock screen ones. Okay, and I also got control center ones, like this one. Widgetsmith. You can make it this size, or you can make it this size. Okay, now I'm going to make my wallpaper. I'm gonna set my wallpaper to the photo that I've just edited, and I'm going to add my widgets. Okay, so you can now see that my wallpaper in the background is done, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I have a Spotify widget, I have a weather widget, Google and ChatGPT widget. Yeah, so I love this font too for the numbers time, and it's just so adorable, the wallpaper too. So whoever created this wallpaper on Pinterest, where I found it, thank you for making such a lovely wallpaper. So I'm just gonna customize my iPad a bit more, but for now, this is the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how you can customize your app icons with the app shortcuts. It does take a little while, but I find it fun at the same time, and it is time consuming, I have to admit it, but you just gotta live like that. Like, that's the only way you can do it. So other apps unlike Widgetsmith, they have icons built in, but most of them are premium. And yeah, what I love about Widgetsmith is there aren't any pop-up ads, but like as you can see at the top, there is an ad, but no ads. Like you don't have to watch any. So that's what I really love. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video on customizing your iPad with me together today. So bye!